Okay, year 9, now we're going to talk about cutting out these sections here. So we need to take this part away and take that part away. So we'll do this little section here first. Okay, so if we go back into here, okay, we're going to remove that section. So if I go onto my drawing and I notice straight away I've got this section removed out of here. You can tell there's been a piece moved out of here. Okay, we've got this cutaway here. But the indication that tells you that it's a cutaway is this hidden detail line shown in the front view. So a dotted line there and a cutaway line or cut section here tells you straight away it has to be chopped out. And let's look at our dimensions, 14, 14 and 20. So let's go do it. So straight away I'll come over to here and I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on new sketch, and that's going to spin that object around and orientate it to the way we want it. So now I'm just going to draw 3 lines. Now a simple way of doing that is just a simple click 1, 2, 3. Now this is another way you can actually do your line work. So you just put the shape in and then you come back in later on and then you can start dimensioning it. So we'll put that in there and I'll put that distance in as 14. You'll notice there when I went to do that, look, if I try and click on this line here, it'll give me the whole line. I don't want that. What I need is this distance between here and here. So I can get that by either clicking on that dot and that dot, or I could click on this line and click on, see how that 36 comes up? Well, it's okay, don't panic. If I click on this line, all of a sudden that'll give me that distance there. Double click and I can add 14 in there. Okay, and as for the length of that line, I'll just simply click on that line and double click, and that will be 20. And with a bit of luck, that line there will adjust itself as well, and it has. So that's good. So now what we're going to do is to finish that sketch, we're going to take that in now and extrude it. Now, when you click on this here, you'll see what happens. That comes up because the default setting for extrude is this setting here. If I hold that over the top button, hover it around with a bit of luck, you'll see it comes up join. We don't want to join it, we want to cut it. So we click on cut and then straight away it'll reverse that direction. You can change the direction of that, by the way, by moving that around. Okay, but we need that cut in that direction there. It doesn't matter, it's cut 46 all the way through. We could make it 146, it wouldn't make any difference. So we'll cut that all the way through and go okay, and that's done. Now before I finish the video, one quick thing. Let's go over and have a look at the browser bar. And now, look, there's that first extrusion that I asked you to play around with in the other video. And now here's the second extrusion. And again, edit sketch. You can change all that. Just say edit the feature. If you decided, for example, hang on, whoops, daisy. Edit the feature. Just say you didn't want that to go all the way through. Maybe say you only want it to go down 5 millimeters. You can click that and you'd get a little section cut away like that. So there's a lot of flexibility and a lot of uses for this up here. So let's make sure we get used to doing that. So if you can go save that now, and then I'll show you how to cut out the next section.